This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my passive income publishing course review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new digital product called Passive Income Publishing Course. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification and like this video. If creating streams of passive income selling low content books on Amazon KDP platform interests you, or if looking for ways to make additional streams of passive income is what you are looking for, then stay with me as I walk you through this new digital learning course that walks you through everything you need to know about publishing low content books on Amazon KDP. Now, as you can see, I'm in the members area of Passive Income Publishing course. Now, before I walk you through the members area, let me tell you what Passive Income Publishing course is all about. It is a detailed hand-holding step-by-step video training program that walks you through everything you need to know about the Amazon KDP, from how to set up the entire program from start to finish. The course is made up of 7 modules that walks you through everything you need to know about the course. Now, if you stay with me further, I will walk you through the 7 modules. Now, once you sign up to the Passive Income Publishing course members area, this is what the members area will look like. Here you have your home page. As you can see, I'm in the home page. Here is where you meet the team, the product creators. This is where you find the bonuses, which I will talk more about later if you stay with me. Now, here you find the courses. Like I said, there are 7 modules. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 7th one. And here you have resources that will help you crush your Amazon KDP low content book business. Of course, here you have your support. So now, what do you get when you pick up Passive Income Publishing course? Now you have, like I said, you have 7 modules. You have the module 1 that walks you through the introduction. It takes you step by step, everything you need to know about the Amazon KDP. So now what do you get in the introduction? The introduction walks you through what Amazon KDP is all about, the pros and the cons of publishing on KDP, what are low content books, why you should focus on your customers, why quantity over quantity is important, and how you can achieve both. So if you want a detailed breakdown of what you find in the module 1, you then need to pick up this course to see exactly what it is. Then of course we have the module 2. Now the module 2 covers the research, which walks you through the importance of niche research, how to find profitable niches, how to come up with book ideas, how to find the right key words, why you should validate your ideas, how to validate your ideas, then 4 questions you must answer. Then of course it provides you with the tools that will help make your research easy. And of course also in the module 2, while you have your video training, you also have your training as a PDF format that you can easily download and go through. And of course also you have your checklist. The checklist will help you stay focused so that you can cover everything that has been taught in this module and not leave anything out, as this is very important for you to achieve success using this method. Then of course also, as you have in your module 2, you also have the module 3, which is the planning. Now, the planning also covers both your video training, PDF version of the training, and you also have your checklist. Now, what do you find in the module 3? The module 3 is the planning proper. It shows you how to get started, how to plan your book cover, and of course, how to plan your book interior. Then, of course, you have the module 4. The module 4 essentially covers creating your book. Now, what do you find in the module 4? It shows you your design fundamentals, software to make it easy, how to create interior pages, how to merge interiors to create your book, then how to create your cover. So essentially, this training walks you through step by step, everything you need to know about creating and being successful selling your low content books on the Amazon KDP. And of course, the skills you learn from here, you can actually use to sell your products on other platforms. We have the module 5, which is the preparing for publication. Again, the module 5, it covers preparing for publication. It covers in the presentation, the video format, your PDF format, and of course, just like 2, 3, and 4, it also gives you a checklist to ensure that everything you need to do is completely covered. So what do you get in the module 5? It shows you how to write a compelling description, understanding Amazon categories, how to add extra categories, how to pick the best keywords, and how to use the keywords effectively. The module 6 walks you through how to upload your book. You have it both in video version and PDF version. Then of course you also have a checklist. The module 6 shows you how to upload and publish your low content books. It shows you how to set up your KDP account, how to complete book details, how to complete keyword boxes for maximum results, and how to upload and approve your book. And of course, it confirms how to confirm rights, pricing, and to publish in the module 7. The module 7 is the final thoughts. That is where you know what and why. You know how to batch your tasks. You know how to stay organized. Admin and bookkeeping. Then you stay out of trouble. Essentially, this course covers everything you need to know about making passive income, publishing low content books on Amazon KDP. I have gone through the courses and I find them very detailed and easy to understand and implement. One little problem I have about this course, however, is that it does not cover traffic generation using paid traffic and other means of generating traffic. But not to worry, if you pick up this course from me, I have for you bonuses that shows strategies for getting better and faster results using paid traffic on Amazon and other traffic sources. For instance, if you pick up this product, if you pick up passive income publishing course through my link, you'll be getting these bonuses: 0 to profits with printables, how to advertise on Amazon, 5K publishing paydays, how to grow your email list in 30 days, and instant traffic for pennies, and how to profit from Teespring, which is also another form of print on demand business. Then 800 plus royalty free bonuses, Amazon KDP advertising, iGram machine. This is a software that will help you increase your engagement on Instagram. Then you have Printly, traffic Rolodex, 25 proven traffic methods, Etsy print on demand course, Pinterest marketing guide. These are all bonuses that will help you increase your traffic and also teach you other forms of businesses that are related to print on demand business. So essentially, you have nothing to worry about if you pick up this course through my link once you use the bonuses that I have for you. So if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to a bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the bonus page and click on this button and it will take you to the passive income publishing course sales page that will look exactly like this. Once you scroll down the sales page and click on this button, you will have access to buy this product and get not just my bonuses but also the vendors' bonuses. So now let me take you through the sales page. Here it says, discover how to turn a few hours a week into a profitable publishing business just like thousands of other ordinary people, which is completely true. It says, had a hunch publishing low content books was lucrative. You are right, and I tell you truly, publishing low content books is very lucrative, especially as we head on to the Christmas and New Year period. You can be sure that demand for these low content books will soar higher, and you can take advantage of this product to cash in on these seasonal sales. This low content business is an evergreen one. So here it says, learn how to become part of the lucrative world of self-publishing. You can take the time and go through this sales page. Here you have more information. For instance, here you see evidence of how the product creator, Merlin, and her daughter are crushing it on Amazon KDP. As you can see here, these are proof of their earnings. As you can see here, these are proof of what you can get when you put to practice what you learn in this course. And of course, once you pick up this product, you also get bonuses from the product creator. And the bonuses you'll be getting are 5 ready to publish books valued over $500. Then you also get graphics and templates also valued over $500. And you get over 600 activity book interior pages valued over $150. So the value you'll be getting when you pick up this product is immense. And you also have here resources that you can use to grow your business. As you have here some of the resources that you get in Instant Puzzle Generator, and then of course all these other resources here. Of course, there are also other tools and resources that do some of the heavy liftings for you. I'll put links in the description below pointing you to some of those products which I have reviewed in the past. So now, why should you pick up this passive income publishing course? First and foremost, it is completely newbie friendly and easy to implement. You save cost and you save time. It is extremely good value for money. As you know, the print-on-demand business is massive, is growing, and is evergreen. So this is your opportunity to jump into it. And of course, you also earn when you sign up. You earn when you sell this course as an affiliate. Of course, you have after-sales support from Merlin and her daughter, the product creators. Then it gives you the opportunity to grow streams of passive income. And of course, the experience and, as earlier pointed out, the bonuses that you will get from the product creator and my own bonuses that will help you with traffic generation, both free and paid traffic, to help you increase sales and quickly grow your business. So now, let me take you through the sales funnel. Now, when you pick up passive income publishing course during the launch period, it will be going for $9.95. That is the front end. And at the end of the product launch, the front end will be going for $19.95. Then you have the OTO1, which is the passive income publishing course interior book. It will be going for $27. And at the end of the product launch, it will be going for $67. Then you have the OTO2, which is the passive income publishing course done for you cover templates. Here you get editable templates that you can easily use to make your own low content books, and it will be going for $37. And at the end of the product launch, it will be going for $97. Then of course you have the OTO3, which is the passive income publishing course done for you offer, which will be going for $97. Then the OTO3, you will get a done for you package, but at the end of this launch, it will be going for $147. Then you have the OTO4, which is the passive income publishing course VIP, which will be going for $10 a month if you sign up for it during this launch period. And here you belong to a membership club where you will receive guidance and further training on this business model. Of course, at the end of this product launch, it will be going for $17 per month. And when is this launch ending? This launch will be ending on the 18th of September 2020 at exactly 11:59 p.m. EST. So take advantage of this launch period and pick up this product at the cheapest price that you can possibly get it. So if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the bonus page and click on this button and it will take you to the passive income publishing course sales page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the sales page and click on this button. There you'll be able to buy this product and get both the vendor's bonuses and my own bonuses. If you have found this review video useful, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification and like this video so that when next we upload review videos as this, your attention will be drawn to it. Thank you for watching our passive income publishing course review video to the end. See you in the next.